Normally, flow measuring orifice is there on cooling water supply line for flow measurement. We should install the orifice on underground line inside RCC pit like this. Paddle pipe with paddle plate to be embedded on RCC wall so that underground water cannot come inside the pit, and underground line is welded with the paddle pipe. Half-inch tapping on both sides of orifice is provided and root valve is provided outside the pit. Pit is covered with checkered plate so that rainwater cannot accumulate inside. Also, rung ladder is provided inside the pit for coming down to the pit. A small sump is also provided at corner of the pit for dewatering by portable pump. The scheme of orifice installation is like this. This is RCC wall of the pit and these two paddle pipes are embedded on RCC wall during casting of RCC pit. Then underground line is welded on both sides of the paddle pipe. This is the orifice plate in between two flanges, and this is one half-inch tapping at distance D on upstream, and this is another half-inch tapping at distance D by 2 on downstream. From these two tappings, half-inch line comes outside the pit where root valve is provided. In case of any maintenance or gasket replacement, we have to come down to the pit using rung ladder. Pit bottom should be about 300 mm below pipe bottom so that pipe can be welded with paddle pipe and flange bolts can be tightened or can be removed. Top of underground pipe should be minimum 1 meter below the ground level or floor level. A small sump should be provided at pit corner for dewatering the pit if required using a portable pump. Normally, pit top is covered by RCC slab, but it will be very heavy to handle. Better to provide 6 mm thick checkered plate which will be projected 100 mm all around the pit top outside. We can install the orifice above ground also, but since orifice requires minimum 10D straight length at upstream and minimum 5D straight length at downstream, then a long length of pipeline will remain as above ground, which will create local obstruction and hindrance. So, it is better to install the orifice inside RCC pit.